Hey guys, this is Tom. I am going to be working from a shape from the MMG collection of shapes that you guys are familiar with. We're doing something called the University. I'm going to take vertical sections and I'm going to fit the base of my fingers in pretty tight. I'm going to take a feather razor, keep it at a simple angle and work that out to length. So I'm building in a graduated shape with the position of my fingers. We are moving into transition. So I've sectioned off the top, got a T-shaped parting ear to ear, and I found where his part is going to be, and now I'm going to work a horizontal section on that heavy side, on the right side, right on top of the graduation that we established on the base of the head shape. So when you take this first horizontal section, you take the back side of your razor, you should be able to clearly see your guide. I'll be working from that. We have completed the transition and we're moving to the top. With the University, if the idea is to retain length, you may not find that primary shape is relevant for this. So I'm actually going to leave all of that interior length and work exclusively in secondary shape. I'm going to take side-to-side sections, elevate, I'm going to target up in the area of support using a simple angle with the razor. For detail and finish, I'm just going to simply work razor over comb to refine the taper. So just elevating the perimeter with the comb and just working your feather razor across the comb. All right, we're going to do a neck cleanup. I'm going to use the Ultra Gliding Shave Oil. Just a couple of pumps of that. So really massage it into all that nape. To finish off, we're going to use the all-in-one face balm. Just a couple of pumps. All right, we're ready for some styling. I've got a new product from American Crew. It's the matte clay. I'm going to use a pretty liberal dosage of the product. Obviously the key with men's hair is making sure you get an even application of the product. I'm going to sort of first just press it into Tom's hair. Okay, make sure you even get into the perimeter. Spend a few seconds just really getting the product worked through. I think that's the key, especially when there's some length involved. All right, so the final step in styling, I'm going to take the boost powder and just go into areas that need support or memory. And just use your fingertips to work it in. The product disappears. And then really just push the style into place. All right, so that's a very textural version of the University from the MMG.